Okay, hi guys, and today we're gonna be playing Roblox. Oh no, not camera. Oops. Roblox, and I don't know what game we're gonna be playing, but we're gonna be playing a game. Yeah, I'm a little bit sick right now, so let's play Survive the Lava, and then maybe we'll play Murder Mystery 2. Also, if I'm really laggy, it's not my fault. It's Roblox's fault, cause I've been really laggy. Look, I'm already laggy. Because I've been really laggy for like the past week or so. Also, I have to go to the dentist today. Like, what the heck? Like, who wants to go to the dentist? Let's vote. I want to vote for small city. Probably. Yeah. Small city. So, yeah. I'm so sick. Not really sick. It's just, no, I did not vote for Happy Home. I voted for Small City. Who wants a happy home, like, for real? Oh, okay. Would you like to purchase OP Infinity Gauntlet? I know how to say it, I just forgot how to say it. Oh, I'm so cramped. Move! Okay. I finally got up here. The lava's coming. No! All the trees over there are gonna die. I'm gonna catch on fire. Fire. Yeah. Oh. And they're all gone. So, I'm gonna turn up my volume. Ooh, it sounds really weird. Oh, I got a badge. I want a flying carpet. Wait, what? I can't buy it. I'm too broke. Fun obby. Golden flag. No. Okay, well, that's gonna be all for today, and I'll post part 2 later. Bye, guys.